Okay, remember the other time I talked about anemia patients, people that runs anemic. Now, before the person sleeps every night, you can give the person some garlic and also onion sliced with tomatoes. Yeah, if the person is not hypertensive, you can drop small salt, and it has to be pink salt to taste. Okay, this is our pink salt, Himalaya salt. Have you seen it? Little quantity. Then introduce fruit, because these fruits are very rich in fiber and also vitamin C. So somebody that is runs anemic, very important you give the person juice, but it's always better to eat fruits like this, okay, so that the person will also gain the fiber content in the fruit. This is watermelon. Yeah, the person has to eat it with the seeds. We don't remove the seed because the seed has its own vitamins, okay. Then this is beetroot, that sliced in different form. This and this are the same. Yeah, but I like cutting my things in different form. So the person can take this. Have you seen the way it is? Use this at night and use this after eating. Yeah, fruits are rich in fiber, vitamin C's, and some have nutrients in them also. So when you introduce all this, honestly, hospital will be very far from the person. Okay, thank you again for continuing joining me, and they keep please connecting people to this platform. You can't tell me when the person do the vegetables I introduced last time and this fruit that the person will still be anemic. It is not possible. It's not possible. So change of lifestyle, the way we eat, you get it, helps our body and it keeps us away from the hospital. And I can't close without talking about exercise. Exercise and the exercise and the exercise. Make work. Put yourself on treadmill and do any kind of exercise you know that will help your metabolism. Yes, thank you so much for joining me, and please keep joining me so that I can be able to keep bringing you new things day by day. Thank you. Have a
Have a
good
good
day.
day.